What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.0409. Down 1% on the day. Seeing market cap of 279 million. 24-hour volume, 131 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, sign up. Grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitkit. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Gala Games. Going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So it looks like we put in an ABC correction. This could be the completion of the wave C. If we can come up and break these B wave high at 0.0417, that would be more confirmation. If we were to break down and lose this low, then the support that you want to see hold for our friend Gala is here at 0.037, because if we break below that, then it's unlikely that this is a wave 2, and if we break this low, it would invalidate that. But until then, if we can come up and break 0.042, then we can see continuation to the upside. Daily time frame, we're just consolidating very, very close to the EMAs. So it's important for the bulls to hold these daily EMAs if we are going to see continuation and bounce to the upside. Because if we do come down, we lose this low, then we can come all the way back down to 0.035, and then your next support is all the way down here at 0.031. But the first signal that we are going to head lower is coming down and breaking that low at 0.035. But until then, as I mentioned, if we can come up and break 0.0418, then you can see continuation up in a wave 3 with a target of 0.051. All right, gang, just a quick little update. Crucial to see this pullback hold, and then basically you want to look for that 5-wave move, 1, 2, and then you push up in a 3, 4, 5, break these highs, wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5, to take you up to that target of 0.051. And as I mentioned, if we lose the 78.6 fib level, then that would be bearish and would be unlikely that this is a wave 2 pullback. Currently we are in a Gala trade, which I gave a signal for in the Discord. It's only $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Everything else is completely free if you sign up to one of the exchanges, either Bitkit or Bybit. Email me or sign up email. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals. Currently in the Gala Games trade, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here, as you can see. Auto alt plays, only $10 a month. You really can't beat it. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.